Hey there, welcome to Chapter 2 Basic Elements of C++. In this chapter, you will become familiar with the basic components of a C++ program, including functions, special symbols, and identifiers. Explore simple data types. Discover how to use arithmetic operators. Examine how a program evaluates arithmetic expressions. Become familiar with the string data type. Learn what an assignment statement is and what it does. Learn about variable declaration. Discover how to input data into memory using input statements. Become familiar with the use of increment and decrement operators. Examine ways to output results using output statements. Learn how to use preprocessor directives and why they are necessary. Learn how to debug syntax errors. Explore how to properly structure a program, including using comments to document a program. Become familiar with compound statements. Learn how to write a C++ program. Introduction. Computer program is a sequence of statements whose objective is to accomplish a task. Programming is the process of planning and creating a program. Real-world analogy. A recipe for cooking. A quick look at a C++ program. These are examples of comments. Variable declarations. A statement such as double length instructs the system to allocate memory space and name it length. Assignment statement. This statement instructs the system to store 6.0 in the memory space length. Assignment statement. This statement instructs the system to evaluate the expression length multiply by width and store the result in the memory space area. An output statement instructs the system to display results. Sample run. Program to compute and output the perimeter and area of a rectangle. Length equals 6. Width equals 4. Perimeter equals 20. Area equals 24. That was the basic structure of a C++ program. Please share your thoughts on the comments section below on where I can improve. If this benefits you in any way, please subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. See you on the next lesson.